Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Let me start off by saying how happy I am that it's a new year. Big up all of my gangsters, them, is it? You know the thing work. Happy New Year. I'm getting everybody for telling a Happy New Year, is it? Battery are dead, next one them a charge. Christmas tree is still up, we have to tear it down. Jamir.
No!
Say Happy New Year, my boss.
Happy New Year, Bushman.
Alright. Mommy.
Happy New Year, y'all.
You know the thing work. We look nice and clean. Can we get our next haircut again? We're going bowling today. So we're have a tag along with the thing, you see me? Big up the people there. So yeah, Jamir, what you have to say to the camera? What you have to say?
Make a move.
Eh?
Like a youth.
Like a youth. So we're gonna go bowling now. Is it?
Yeah, look at
I'm gonna pick up some stuff from Alyssa's mom house. I just buy a microphone for my cooking channel, a new lens, give me some better quality, and just a lot of gears to just make my cooking channel a lot better. You won't be seeing any cooking on my channel until probably February or mid-January, because I come with a whole new set of content, clean, more professional. You know what I say? Yeah. So don't look out for them something. But the vlog them there, man. And then we're gonna pick up his cousin right now, Nana Adventures. Check out Nana Adventures, that's it. And check out It's Jam. See, Alyssa over there, so.
there.
Hey, oh.
No more.
Jamie, and it's that's it's Nana. But what's your name, Nana, on YouTube? Say it louder, man.
Nana Adventures.
Look at this.
Nana Adventures. That's Jamie, little cousin right there. Our big cousin, because she older than Jamir. What's your name on YouTube, Jamir?
Jam time.
It's
Jam time.
JP
Daddy, I
Yo.
want to sing Big in the Up Top Boss.
Oh, you man? You're not so serious. Are you so serious, girl?
Nana's balling. Tell them how much money you have, Nana.
What? You have money, Nana? You Nana? You shy?
Nana doesn't leave broke. Come on now.
But you know the funniest thing? She like me, but she hates me. She love me situation.
I want to do Big in the Up Top
Like
Boss
she's shy when
song.
she's around me. You know, I don't know if worries. That's something I'm
Yes
scared.
or no? She'll tell you about your toes, but then again, she won't talk to
Betty
you.
and the Up
Yeah,
Top
she's
Boss.
shy. She's shy around me. I don't know why. I trimmed off my beard last night.
Can I
It
do
did long.
Big in the Up Top
Food
Oh,
Boss?
that's why you look different.
Food did that stuck in there, so I take off some of my beard.
Now what?
Don't
Can
tell
you stop
me,
recording, please?
don't tell me to live my life.
I want to be the Up Top Boss.
Stop telling me to live my life, you.
Now you came here before.
You're gonna wait, because I don't know why.
What's the
Oh, man.
I caught you! Sing that, I'll carry you on.
Yo, and it's so packed.
I remember I came here with Janaya. Remember?
So me are a team player today,
I
Jamir?
like her. I like her.
Who you like? Oh. So me are play on the same team today, Jam? Me and Jamir are same team today. Is it? Where out there?
I don't stop to go in the sunroom again. Is this like so scary?
ready? Are they ready? No, wait. Wow. Yeah, here, sir. Yeah. Wow. I want to get two.
Yeah, because the kids them. You can move that and go. Wow!
1 hour later.
Are we here, man? Why they are 5th position, youth? Yeah, youth. Yeah. Go through. Take your time, youth. Yo, take your time. Yes, champ. Yeah. What? Nice. They came 6th, bro. See, nice girl at dance here. Come. Come on, one different one. Come.
What do you want to play? There's cool stuff right there too. Nana, why don't you wait? Oh, you got a candy cane. Just leave it, don't touch nothing. Woo! Come down here, put your hand in there and grab it. Want to play this game, Nana? The pink one or the red one looks the best bet.
Want a red one?
No, not yet. Go back more. No, that's too forward. Go back more. Right there. Press the release button when you're ready. Oh! Woo! Okay, come. Yes and no. Oh my God.
Somebody's upset, don't want to go home, bro.
Did you have fun today, now?
No.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Can you want, yeah, go
Yes,
over
she's not going. She's not coming back here again. Let's go.
Hold your hand, Ali. Come. Hold your hand, Ali. Hold him at the hand.
Go.
Hold him at the hand.
2.
Oh, I'm like a breast, man. The man, they are 2 hours. I don't want to go yard. How many do you want to come live out here? Jam here? Relax and stop with your shoes. I must live in the one, come live in the people in playground. Now, up park.
Right here.
Oh. So, yeah, my people. We win 2 balls, as you saw. Nana we know a little deer or lion. About lion, backside they know animal. She we know a little elephant, is it? Woo! All YouTubers up in this car, bro. Maris Time, aka Gam TV. Then we have Nana Adventures around there. Then we have It's Jam Time. You know. So yeah, you know what things that she said she had drive one beer me drink and you know I'm drive like if he's
oh I didn't remember that actually.
Like if he's someone a
So
star
I
soup,
remember
is
that.
it? So yeah, the spot that we went, it's called Neb's Fun World. It's a nice little spot. They have go-kart. Me do want to go up and go drive a go-kart.
They have like mini roller coaster. They have
roller
a drop
coaster?
zone. Yeah, it goes literally around the entire where the playground is. It goes above around the entire area. They have that. They have a little mini drop zone. They have a playground. They got an arcade. They're actually making a skating ring, like a rollerblading rink.
I need to try out because last time I go for Edmonton, it wasn't a good look on my part.
That was skating, not rollerblading.
Yeah, but similar thing. Once we get one or the other, both of them are gonna come easier, you see.
True.
So yeah, it was a nice little vibe. We did bowling. Nana win the first round, Alyssa win the second round, me come third and Jamir
Fourth.
You lost?
Yeah. Jamir lost. But it's okay, Jam. Next time, right?
No.
Next time?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Next time you'll win, my son. Alyssa tell him saying come fourth because you know want him saying come last. I said tell him saying come last and better luck next time or just work harder next time. And nobody else out there now go sugarcoat the film when you do something bad. So when you do something bad we can't pretty it up. We're not gonna make him feel bad. But we give him the truth, no fairy tale business. Because nobody out there now go pretty it up for him. And so when we the parents pretty up stuff for yard, then they expect everybody out there for pretty up stuff. And when people out there pretty up stuff for them, I saw come then come cocoa. Me tell them people. They understand. Yeah man, I just say thing.
I guess you know what? In that sense, my mom raised us so we don't act like little babies.
Snatch.
Yeah. So like we grew up, like we made fun of each other. Our family, we called each other whatever names. We called each other the worst names. So when we were on the streets and somebody said something to us, we just laughed like, okay, but I've heard worse. You know, like the thing is, it's not like we're serious about it. We're saying about each other, but we know how it is, and then so people couldn't bully us because we already bullied each other inside the home.
You know that we not promote bullying in no farm, but we basically I say is when they tough them up fire, every family, every sibling trouble each other.
They bully each other in a sense, you know what I mean? So
in a guy road your skin tick up, you see. Yeah, my family used to live bad. I have two brothers them, and right now we are the closest thing we can find to sliced bread.
Lies.
You see? I tell you.
The closest thing to sliced bread is sliced bread. Happy nice.
No, the closest thing to sliced bread are the space between it.
There's no space between it because there's literally no.
You can't make space between sliced bread. But yeah, people, they get to me and say, see me? So right now, I'm gonna gear up myself and touch upon the gym. Thank you for Nana Adventures for passing through and blessing up the day. She shy somewhat, but she love my company nonetheless. Big up, it's jam time for logging in. It's jam time, youth. And big up Alyssa for the
Glasses
suggestion.
time, I need glasses.
The suggestion, she can't see nothing on the road. I
can see it. It
see that sign there down there, so if she was 200 meters away from this, she could see it. Oh yeah, Jamie, they asked the water. Water did I chunk my boss. I have to go wait. I don't know. Maris Time cooking logging in. Gam TV. Big up the people them. Then I chunk when we stop, Jamie.
Soon.
So big up everybody and stay tuned for the rest of the vlog, man. Leave a comment below. Make you know what I go on and give us some suggestion if you live near the GTA. We are some fun place to hit up with the kids, you see it. So enough love for the love. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.